Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So it snowed so much here in Iowa, zone 5. Yeah, we have snow everywhere, and it was a thick, heavy snow. It's covering the land, so that's good for my tulips, right? But I wanted to get out here, and I just wanted to show you the snow. I'll probably head back inside here in a minute, but I wanted to give you my weekly update. I did start my Lisianthus. I started them on January 7th this year, and I started 2,400 seeds. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link a video. I'll link a video up in this corner. I think that's right. And this is last year's video where I did all of the Lisianthus seed starting. Not much has changed. I did go ahead and steal a few clips from that one on the seed starting because I started all my seeds the same way. But the main thing that changed this year is I did change the variety of Lisianthus that I'm growing. I had some that just weren't doing as good, so I thought I would try. I heard the ABC series was a good series of Lisianthus. Magpie's running around her little dog track here. So I thought I would try that this year. The Arena series, the Roseanne, and then from last year I did have a few varieties that worked really well, so I'm going to do those again. The Almond White, the Can Carmine Rose, the Chacon White and the Chacon Yellow, the Crown Yellow, and the Mazurka Wave White. So last year I had a bunch of mold problems, and those varieties still did really well for me. So I thought, yes, I'm going to keep those. I did get rid of some series that just didn't do as well for me, and I thought I'd go ahead and try the ABC and the Arena series this year to see how it went. So in this video, this year I'm starting on January 7th. Last year I started on January 5th. And then last year by January 14th, I had some germination, but not all cells in the tray. And then by January 27th, the first true leaves started popping. They're just tiny, but if you see right there and look at the very middle of that plant, and you see the 2 leaves that are starting to pop out, those are the first true leaves. The other 2 are the cotyledon leaves. They will soon fall off. This is something I might change this year. Last year I put all my Lisianthus in the field on April 11th. I'm not real sure if that actually speeds up the process or not. This year I might do some on April 11th, and I'm going to hold some back and start them more like when I know that we're not going to have any more freezes. So maybe May 1st. I mean, May 10th is our last frost date. So I might do some in April, some in May, and I just want to see which plants do better. Because even though they're a cold weather flower, I'm not sure putting them out when it's so cold that they do as good. I'm not convinced of it yet. So I'm going to do that test this year, so you can follow along to see if that works for me or not. And last year my first bloom was on July 12th, and by July 27th I was having buckets of blooms, which continued on into the whole season. And then Lisianthus are one of the last flowers I'm cutting in my field, and they last the longest in the cooler, so they're always one of the last ones to go. So that's kind of what I'm doing with my Lisianthus. I started them by seed. I mist them all in. I cover them with the humidity dome. I put them under grow lights, and I leave those grow lights on for 16 hours a day. And that's pretty much what I will do with my Lisianthus. I also started 200 eucalyptus seeds. I did the baby blue variety and the silver dollar variety. So I started those as well and scooped a lot of snow. And that's kind of what I've been doing this week. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day, and I hope if you're starting Lisianthus, you can check out my past Lisianthus videos. I did some from seed all the way to the end. I've done just the seed starting videos. I'll link some of the videos below in the description, and I hope all of you have a wonderful day.